Want to know why I'm a member to Oriflame? Well, right from the start, you'll get
Show me.
explore endless inspiration, beauty tips and tricks tailored to your routines, and discover the science and innovations behind our products.
Did you know?
And you'll get exclusive invites to member events. If you love sharing your beauty faves with friends, here's a reward just for you. When your friends shop through the code you share, you get 10% sharing discount for the amount they shop for, straight to your Oriflame wallet. Join now to unlock every dimension of beauty waiting for you and make rewards part of your beauty routine. Become a member today at oriflame.com.